Hello, my friends. Today we are making a simple breakfast recipe that I absolutely love. All you need is some sausage, and you can get this pre-cooked if you like, and an 8-count package of the cinnamon rolls. I'm going to go ahead and start frying these babies, and I'm going to share this delicious recipe with you. And they're really starting to cook now, so I'm just going to let these cook thoroughly, and I just follow the instructions on the package. I love these. I know you will too. Okay, these look good. I like my sausages really, really, really cooked. And I want them really browned on all sides. So these are about done. I'm gonna let them cook for a second. But what I'm gonna do is just take these out and let them cool. Because these are piping hot. And then we're gonna, while these are cooling, we're gonna prepare our cinnamon rolls to prepare these beauties. All right, let's get started. All right, I have moved my sausage. Aren't these beautiful? I moved them to a paper plate with a paper towel here just to kind of let the juice drain. And we're gonna let these cool a little bit while we prep the cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna set these aside. And I have opened my cinnamon rolls here. And we're going to also keep the icing that comes with it. We're going to use that. We're going to keep this because we're going to use it. So what we're going to do is separate these. So we have 8. And I'm just going to take, let's just take one, for example. And I'm just going to unravel it. And we're going to break this in half. Okay? And then here we're just going to lay a sausage link on here and we're going to spiral it. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep these. Okay, I'm going to grab a sausage. These have cooled. And I'm just going to start and we're just going to roll them up. And a little trick here is to kind of pull it a little bit just to make sure it goes all the way around the sausage. So this is what we're looking like. And I'm going to do the same with the others. And then we're going to place them in the oven. All right, guys, I have these all rolled up, and I had a little bit of a cinnamon roll, a strip left, but I just rolled that beauty up, and we're not going to waste that. So I'm going to bake this as well. So we're going to add it right here. I'm going to transfer these to my baking dish, and then we're going to put these in the oven. I almost forgot, we want to spray this dish. So I'm going to spray this. I'm going to simply transfer these over. Okay, we're going to place these in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. This is what they're looking like. Don't these look beautiful? Oh, they smell so good. Smell so good. And the last step is just to drizzle that icing that came in the package of the cinnamon rolls. We're just going to drizzle that on top and we are ready to eat. We're just going to enjoy this over some football, some scrambled eggs. They do not have to be pretty by any means. I just want to taste it. Of course, I can't miss my cinnamon roll here. I'm using all this goodness. And that is it to this recipe. It's so delicious. I hope you try. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next week, have a great one. Bye-bye.